Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Justa iLogs. Today I'm going to be showing you a real easy large-sized family cheesesteak sandwich. If you like this recipe, stick along with me and watch how I made it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First, you want to take half of a large sweet Vidalia onion and lightly saute it and then set it aside. Next, you want to cut your meat thinly. Usually, cheesesteaks are used with ribeye or well-marbled meats, but I'm just using top round beef. Cut the meat as thin as you can. It's okay if you have broken pieces of meat. It will all cook and you can still put it on top of the sandwich. Depending on your family size, you want to cook as much or as little meat as you want. And because I have a large size family, I did use half of that top round roast. And I'll be making several batches. This is the first batch. You can see the meat is well thinly cut, and it only takes a few minutes to saute. You can see with this batch of meat, it did pick up all the brown bits at the bottom of the pan and picked up all the flavor. I did take all of the meat and just mix it all together, and this is the remaining in the pan. Next, take a portion of meat and place it back into the pan, and you want to put it into the shape of the bread roll. I have a very large roll for my large size family, so I needed to do this in sections. You can put as much or as little provolone cheese as you want, and then you want to cover it until the cheese just starts to melt. Once that portion of meat and cheese is ready, go ahead and spread it out evenly onto your bread. I do have a very large bread roll, so I needed to do this about 3 times. Lastly, you want to evenly spread out the lightly cooked Vidalia onion. This step is so important. This is going to give the cheesesteak a real intense flavor and going to really make that flavor pop. The cheesesteak is finally done. It really didn't take that long. I did cook a total of 4 batches of meat, about 45 minutes in time. I have it placed on a very large charcuterie board, and I have it for presentation. So I'm glad I was able to buy this during the summer of last year, and I have a purpose for it for dinner tonight. cabinet?
Yeah.
Good?
Well, it's hard to buy it.
It's so big.
Too big for my mom.